Hi guys, and welcome back to my English tropical garden here in the UK. Well, it's quite an exciting month really, because I suppose September, we've got the winter's going to be coming on, and I thought I'd just like to show you a little glimpse as at what my garden looks like at this moment. Everything's getting a little bit tired now and wants to go to sleep, as plants do, and it's still very interesting. I suppose next month I'm going to have to be thinking about wrapping up some of the plants, some of the more tender plants, and some of the really tender ones. I've got some agaves or agaves, whatever you like to call them, that do need to be brought into my conservatory or into my greenhouse. I keep a heated greenhouse going all through the winter, just ticking over, just keeping the frost off, and keeping them over till next year. I've got one very large agave, which, to be honest, I don't think I'll be able to put that anywhere. I'm going to have to leave that out this year, and it'll have to just take its chance. But I have lost so many in the past. If you get an unpredictable, really severe winter, the frost will kill it. So, well, like I say, I'll have to take its chance. I've got plenty more, but they're smaller ones. So please stick with me, watch my video right through to the very end. I'm hoping that you'll find it very, very interesting, all you gardeners out there. Especially you tropical gardeners as well, and yeah, keep watching, please enjoy.